Hi there YouTube, Joe here with another video. Today I'm working on a Mazda CX-3. It's a 2019 plate and I'm going to show you how to reset the service message or spanner that comes up on the dash. And let's just start. As you can see, there's a spanner down there in the right hand corner of the gauge cluster. The way we go about this is make sure the ignition is on, and then we're going to move over to the monitor over there, and we're going to be using this rotary joystick to carry out a reset. So you reset by rotating your little joystick over to the left, and you click onto that menu where it's have that A inside it, applications, and you scroll down to vehicle status monitor, and then you scroll down to maintenance, and then we have schedule and oil change. So press onto that, you go down to reset, and it will ask you to confirm it. Just press OK, and it's now reset. It's on 6,200 miles. You can just come back out of that menu, and then we go up to that one, and then we reset that as well, and that's back to 12 months. So you have your engine oil, which is 6,000, and your maintenance 12 months, whichever come first, it will count down there. So that's how you reset the Mazda. Most of the Mazda this year is similar procedure. So I hope this helps someone out there, and please remember, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.